China launched DeepSeek R1, a powerful AI tool intended for deep data analysis that is an instant rival to America's OpenAI. The last week has seen the world of artificial intelligence abuzz with huge progress and shifts from new AI models to mind-blowing developments. The last week has been a whirlwind of non-stop development in AI research. Join with us as we explore this big AI week in a nutshell in just a few minutes. A model with a deep search shakes up the tech world. Launched a new AI model named R1 in January 2025 by a Chinese startup named DeepSeek. Famed for its incredible abilities and low-cost development, this innovative model has gained the attention of many, unlike other AI models that require enormous computational resources. The Deep Search by R1 was developed using merely a fraction of the computing resources that are usually needed for such models, resulting in a development cost of approximately $5.6 million. DeepSeek is famed for its commitment to transparency. They have published their R1 model as open source, allowing people across the globe to explore and extend its design. This level of openness has spurred a wave of interest in replicating and improving the model, and face-hugging companies are studying deep search methods in an attempt to copy the model. The R1 model uses cutting-edge training methods such as massively reinforced learning and a special group of experts to power the models by generating optimal strategies for these tasks. Coding and mathematical problems. Compared to high-end AI systems, the release of R1 has created a lot of buzz in the tech world, with AI visionaries in Silicon Valley rethinking their plans and seeking ways to minimize costs and explore other means of advancing AI that could lead to a new research report entitled GPT. And the company says it uses reasoning to synthesize large amounts of complex data, claiming it can complete in-depth research in a fraction of the time it would take even the most skilled human. A giant sale. OpenAI launches O03 mini reasoning model. OpenAI unveiled a new AI model on January 31, 2025, entitled the O03 Mini. The model is the latest challenge the company has created. Especially, its capability for encoding and software development tasks. The release indicates OpenAI's commitment to advancing artificial intelligence and setting the pace in the competitive AI industry. The O03 Mini model is designed to improve the performance of handling complex reasoning tasks. Programmers can enhance their coding skills with this tool since it offers suggestions for error detection and correction. It is a great tool to improve the product's ability to improve accuracy in their coding tasks. The O03 Mini model is unique because it processes information and understands complex commands quickly, allowing it to effectively perform challenging tasks in less time than its predecessors. The model can also learn to perform better over time with user input and interaction. NVIDIA CEO meets with President Trump at the H2020 presidential meeting. NVIDIA CEO meets with U.S. President Donald Trump at the White House. NVIDIA is famous for producing computer chips critical in AI technology. The meeting had been scheduled for weeks and centered on AI policies, specifically competition with Chinese AI firm DeepSeek. DeepSeek has made significant progress in the creation of advanced models of AI technology, including the U.S. government's expenditure on its use of the technology. The nation's leadership in AI has fueled further debate on imposing stricter controls on the export of AI technology to nations like China, with President Trump and Mr. Hung in talks of tightening restrictions on the export of AI chips to China. The government is weighing how to stop China from gaining more advanced AI technology to serve our interests in this critical area, as it has already had widespread objections. The sanctions firm objected to the Biden administration's expansion of these restrictions to over 100 countries, including Singapore,
because DeepSeek is such a fundamental change to the economics of what's going on. Now, there are still a whole bunch of unanswered questions, but 100%, the fact that they were able to train an AI model for a fraction of the cost of what OpenAI and Google and Anthropic and all the other big AI players are spending.
Chinese AI companies are releasing advanced models ahead of the Lunar New Year. As the Lunar New Year approaches, Chinese artificial intelligence firms have unveiled new models showcasing significant progress for us amid ongoing restrictions on chip technology. These innovations highlight China's commitment to maintaining a leading position in the global AI competition and minimizing its reliance on foreign tech, which is leading this technological surge, by introducing an open-source image generation model that empowers developers and researchers to create high-quality images based on high-quality images. In addition to the dominance of U.S. companies in the image generation AI sector, other industry players have made important revelations. Alibaba introduced its cutting-edge model Qwen 2.5 to 1M, which is designed to handle memory-intensive applications, especially those involving extensive data processing such as language translation and complex business tasks. It also introduced a specific AI design for a specific AI and a specific model for the enterprise. Reacting to sophisticated decision-making and reasoning tasks that would be expected to offer smart assistance in sophisticated automation systems, these major breakthroughs have rekindled investor confidence in China's AI sector, a development that comes at a time when Chinese tech firms are facing challenges due to restrictions on the importation of sophisticated chips. Its tech sector views independently suspending work on high-risk AI systems. Meta, the umbrella corporation for Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, have said they will possibly suspend working on some high-level artificial intelligence projects out of concerns about their possible risks, a development that shows the possible influence of the company's AI-related technology and the recognized risks of the technology. Meta's announcement reflects a change in the tech sector towards a cautious approach to the development of AI technology that can execute tasks such as identifying faces and creating creative content that can make decisions. Advanced AI systems, however, also have dangers such as spreading privacy-violating disinformation. Gain more power. Meta's action is driven by concerns about ethical matters and possible risks. The company is reported to be reviewing its ongoing projects and may possibly abandon those with major risks. The development shows Meta's interest in ensuring the safety and beneficial influence of its AI technologies on users and for the community to gain a CTO at QAI. CTO for high-level competition technologies. Company's Chief Technology Officer Shamsun Nar talked about the increasing competition in artificial intelligence AI between the United States and China. Sana referred to the competition as a brutal AI arms race in which the two countries are racing to enhance their AI capabilities, citing the rapid advancement in AI, especially in the creation of large language models. AI models, known as large language models, are able to understand and produce text that resembles human language, which has become much more accessible to healthcare, finance, and government affairs. Siner explained that the ease of use and affordability of the models are making their integration into various industries popular. Peller has established a strong presence in the AI industry by providing tools that enable companies to efficiently process large amounts of data. The company recorded strong financial performance in the last quarter, rising 5% to 37%. Apple's new AI summary system is in the spotlight, surpassing financial analysts' expectations. As Palin's growing interest in AI-based products and services continues, Apple recently struggled with its ad-supported news briefing service known as Apple Intelligence. The service, designed to give users brief news summaries, faced serious problems when it began circulating false news that had serious issues. The errors about well-known personalities caused widespread concern and disapproval, leading to a negative reaction from the public, with several news outlets such as the BBC calling for swift action. Apple Intelligence was criticized for failing to thoroughly vet information before presenting it to users, and Apple chose to take on Apple in response to its growing demands. Tech companies find it difficult to employ AI in news content. The incident highlights the fact that AI can quickly process large chunks of information, without understanding context or being capable of absolutely confirming the correctness of complex news reports, resulting in the possibility of spreading false information that damages reputation and is said to be misleading people to focus on the app system. In order to counter these issues, the tech giant is most likely to increase human intervention to confirm the correctness and credibility of news alerts, a move intended to reduce errors and restore audience confidence on the platform. With the intention of matching keywords to get results, but now with the assistance of AI, they are capable of understanding the context and meaning behind the user's query, resulting in more accurate and relevant answers. A significant advancement in this space is the utilization of natural language processing (NLP) that enables search engines to understand the complexity of human language and now allows NLP to successfully venture with search engines to understand the meaning behind words and give answers that better match what the user is looking for. Another significant aspect of this transformation is machine learning (ML). Through processing huge amounts of information, ML algorithms are capable of identifying patterns in user behavior which aid in predicting what information will be most most helpful to the user based on their search history and interactions. This enables search engines to provide a personalized experience to the user. Search engines. There have been several AI-powered search engines that have emerged that offer unique features to enhance the user experience. Certain sites have live chats where users can pose follow-up questions and receive immediate responses, while others specialize in delivering tailored content by parsing the user's search history and interests. Such technologies seek to accelerate information access in order to make it more user-friendly and user-relevant to search results. Assist users in other fields like Google's Ask Me feature. Ask Me feature employs artificial intelligence in dialing phone numbers of businesses on behalf of the users that largely targeted nail shops and car repair businesses. Ask Me combines relevant information and streamlines the booking process and facilitates booking appointments for the users. If you have reached here, do not forget to tell us in the comments section below about your interest. Thanks for watching the video you are seeing on screen.